Hi everyone! Today, we'll guide you through a smooth Freshdesk integration process that allows you to create support tickets directly inside WhatsApp conversations, making your support workflow much more efficient. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly look at why this integration matters. By connecting Freshdesk to YCloud, you can log issues in real time during chats, reducing manual work and ensuring important problems are never missed. Now let's get into the actual setup. First, we'll start by installing the YCloud app inside Freshdesk. Log into your Freshdesk account, go to the admin section, open the marketplace, search for YCloud, and install the app. Once the installation is complete, we can continue with account linking. You can find your admin key and URL in the top right profile settings page. Click View API Key. Then copy the key and URL shown under the Ticketing API section. Enter the key and URL into the YCloud configuration to complete the connection. Next, we'll sync the Freshdesk ticket fields. Simply enable the required fields on the sync page so the system can automatically align your ticket data. Now we can move on to creating tickets. Open YCloud Inbox. And when you encounter an issue that needs follow-up, simply open the Customer Information panel and create a Freshdesk ticket directly there. After entering the ticket details, submit it and you'll be able to view its status anytime in the Customer Information section. With Freshdesk integrated, you can build a more efficient support workflow inside WhatsApp, making ticket creation and follow-up seamless. If you run into any issues or want to share your experience, feel free to drop a comment. And don't forget to follow us for more practical tutorials. See you in the next video.